Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to use a VPN on any iPhone. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply choose a VPN. So in this case I'm going to choose NordVPN. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply download the application. After that just simply sign up or log in into your existing account, and then after that just simply add your password or enter the password. After that you will have a pop-up right in front of you. So all you have to do is just simply give the VPN access to your notifications if you want to. So if you want that, click on allow. Now, over here, the first thing that you have to do is just simply click on Quick Connect. Now, the process might vary from application to application, but in most of the applications, the process are mostly same. So over here, all you have to do is first click on Quick Connect. Now, another pop-up permission will appear in front of you. Over here, just simply click on Got it. Now, after that, another pop-up will appear. Just simply click on Allow, and now, just simply choose a location where you want to connect. So let's say, for example, France. Now, after choosing the location, again click on Quick Connect, and this time the connection will be done, and now your VPN is active. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.